the most famous mountain pass in history, the Khyber Pass into Central Asia. How exciting it was to be here, among the proud and once so warlike Pathan tribes of this remote and exotic region. The old northwest frontier of British India, the strip of what is now Pakistan that lies along the borders of Afghanistan, and behind lies Russia. For 25 centuries the Khyber has been the gateway for countless invasions, and also the main trade route from Central Asia to the market city of Peshawar, capital of the frontier. The Pathan tribes, though pacified now, still hold to their warrior traditions. At the village of Dara, near Peshawar, I visited a tribal factory where, in a primitive backyard setting, they make rifles and pistols with traditional skill. Every shop in the village sells them. The Pathan's rifle is part of his dress, like an Englishman's umbrella. He once used his rifle a lot, in the days when he fought the British and lived by plunder. Since the British Army withdrew and Pakistan became independent, the fighting has largely ended. But the gun-making goes on. Down to the smallest spare part, the weapons are exact imitations of foreign models, American, German, British. Some of them have even got the WD date stamps. This pistol's an Italian copy. The Pakistan government turns a blind eye on this plagiarism, provided the guns are not taken out of tribal territory. But many are now sold and smuggled to the Pathan tribes on the Afghan side of the frontier, where there's recently been heavy rioting. The Pathans are a warrior